Hi, today I'm making green masala cauliflower. This vegan dish can be served as a starter with cocktails or with a few minor tweaks as an unusual side dish with gravies such as rajma masala, dal makhani and chicken bharta. Crisp pan-fried cauliflower florets, delicately seasoned with garlic, green chilies and coriander, are a healthier option to deep-fried snack foods like gobi Manchurian. As a side dish, green masala cauliflower is a good change from the usual aloo gobi and gobi matar. Kids will love it too. And what's more, you can make 4 to 6 servings in less than 20 minutes. I have made both versions, the starter and the side dish. Let's get started. I have already washed and dried the cauliflower florets. This will take some time but can be done much earlier in the day. I will use 2 cups each for the starter and the side dish. For the starter, you need larger florets about 1 inch to 1.5 inches so that they can be picked up easily. The florets for the side dish should be a bit smaller since they are usually eaten with roti or with rice. Use fresh cauliflower. Pre-cut florets are fine, but frozen will not work. Next, we pound the seasonings. You can also use a mixie to do this step, but do not add any water. We want a dry, coarse paste. Green chilies, garlic and fresh coriander. You can adjust the proportions as you like. Make sure you squeeze all the water from the coriander. I'm adding the salt now. The roughness of the salt facilitates the process of making a coarse paste. After the initial pounding, you can use this squishing motion to make the paste. So, why don't we want a smooth paste? Well, in the process of frying the cauliflower, these crumbs of chilies, garlic and coriander will become crisp and will turn into mini flavor bombs in your mouth. Okay, that's good. The starter first. 1/4 cup of paste for 2 cups of florets is just about right, but you can add more if you prefer. Pepper, roasted cumin powder or any other masala you like chaat masala or pav bhaji masala. Mix it all together. Set aside the cauliflower for at least 10 minutes to allow the juices to be released. You can let it marinate in the refrigerator for a few hours if you like. It's been 10 minutes and we are ready to fry. The cauliflower has been marinated. It must be at room temperature to proceed. You should be ready to fry it at this point. There is no stopping point after this until you're done. A liberal coating of rice flour helps to absorb excess moisture and makes the florets crisp. Now to fry the florets. The pan is hot. Add enough oil to cover the entire surface of the pan. I need 2.5 tablespoons. If you are using a bigger pan, you will need more, even with the same quantity of cauliflower. Place the florets in a single layer and leave them undisturbed until they brown in the bottom. The flame should be medium-high. These are the leftover crumbs. I'm going to keep them aside and add them later. Flip over the florets when they turn a golden brown. And keep turning them over from time to time. If they are turning black, your pan is too hot. Lower the flame. These are browning quite nicely and they don't have too much moisture in them at all. The pan is quite hot now, so I'm going to reduce the flame to about medium. Tri-ply pans retain a lot of heat. Once the florets are browned nicely, they need to be cooked all the way through. Cover the pan for 30 to 45 seconds at a time on medium or medium-high heat. some cauliflowers may have too much moisture. If yours is wet, do not cover it on browning. Just let it cook uncovered on a low flame. The cauliflower is almost done. Now add in the seasoned crumbs. They will become crisp and add to the texture of the dish. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of oil to allow the garlic and the chilies from the crumbs to cook through. All done. I have turned off the gas. The cauliflower is nicely brown and crisp. It is soft but not mushy. Do not cover it while it's hot. It will get mushy. Serve it right away, but if you must serve it later, warm it in the oven or on the pan. Now to serve. Place the florets on the platter. Sprinkle the crispy crumbs and optionally the barista or crisply fried onions. There's no need for accompaniments. The crispy green masala cauliflower is ready to eat. Now for the side dish. I'm going to run through this procedure. Most of it is pretty much the same as that of the starter. There are two main differences. The size of the florets, these are smaller, and the amount of rice flour and oil used. As a side dish, the cauliflower should be bite-sized and not so crisp. Mix in the barista and we are ready to serve. I'm going to serve this with some chicken bharta and lachha paratha. For a vegan menu, I've served this side dish with vegan paneer butter masala and some paratha. The same method can be used to pan fry any vegetable to crispness, be it onions, bhindi or okra, and eggplant or bengan. I've outlined the general procedure in the description box. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video of a very unique way to serve cauliflower. If so, please like and share it with your friends. I welcome any and all feedback from you in the comments section. For more such videos, do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching.